Adding a Visa gift card to Doordash is simple. Follow these steps: log into your Doordash account, visit the Doordash website or open the Doordash app. Log into your account using your credentials. Access payment methods, navigate to the Payment Methods section. On the left-hand menu, select Payment Methods. Add payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button. Select Visa gift card, choose the option to add a Visa gift card. Enter card details, input your Visa gift card number, expiration date, and CVV number. Ensure all details are accurate. Save payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button to save the Visa gift card to your Doordash account. Start using the gift card. Once added, you can use the Visa gift card to pay for your orders. Select the Visa gift card as the payment method during checkout. Troubleshooting: if you encounter any issues, refer to the Doordash app's help section or contact Doordash customer support. Ensure your Visa gift card has a sufficient balance to cover your Doordash orders. By following these steps, you can easily add a Visa gift card to your Doordash account and use it for convenient payment.